Principal Ma'am, in charge Ma'am, respected teachers and all the respected guests. I am Agut Kumar from the Standard 7th. Today I have got a golden opportunity to deliver a speech upon Braj Kishore Prasad, the unsung freedom fighter. Today it's our privilege that we also have the member of his family present in our campus. So let's start. Born on 14 January 1877 in Srinagar, resident in Siwan district, Braj Kishore Prasad emerged as a personality in the India's freedom struggle. Raised in a family where he embodied values of compassion, integrity and service from a young age. As he matured, his knowledge about injustices in his homeland grew, fueling his commitment to freedom. Braj Kishore Prasad's activism began within the Indian National Congress. His impassioned advocacy for the farmers' right at the 1914 Bihar Provincial Congress Conference drew attention, propelling him pivotal roles. Notably, at the 1916 Lucknow Congress session, Braj Kishore Prasad invited Mahatma Gandhi to Champaran, a decision that altered the history. During Gandhi's Satyagraha in Champaran, Braj Kishore Prasad stood steadfastly against oppression, along with leaders like Rajendra Prasad and Anugrah Narayan Sinha. His leadership extended through key movements like non-cooperation, Khilafat, and the Satyagraha, despite British persecution and imprisonment. Prasad's role in the Champaran movement is relevant today. His outstanding organizational ability, his legal acumen, and the familiarity with the problems of the peasants helped Mahatma Gandhi to redress the sufferings of the peasants. In fact, at the governor's invitation, Gandhiji took him along to Ranchi to meet with the governor. This crucial meeting led to the introduction of the Champaran Agrarian Bill 1917, which recommends the abolition of the Tinkhatian system and payment of 25% of Tawan to the peasants. However, it was not an ideal solution, but it was definitely a step in the right direction. Though in this push, Braj Kishore Prasad led the civil disobedience in Patna. However, this unsung freedom fighter did not live to see India attaining freedom as he died in 1946. His biography, Braj Kishore Prasad, a hero of many battles, written by Sachidanand Sinha, has been published by the National Book Trust. Today, Vihar Vidyapeeth is a legacy of his combined effort with other eminent colleagues. Now, I would like to end my speech with a poem dedicated to him. जहाँ नहीं मैं सुरबा लाके गहनों में गूंथा जाऊं, जहाँ नहीं प्रेमी बाला में बिंद प्यारी को ललचाऊं, जहाँ नहीं सम्राटों के शव पर ये हरि डाला जाऊं, जहाँ नहीं देवों के सर पर चलो बाकी पर इठलाऊं, मुझे तोड़ने ना बनमाली उस पद पर तुम देना फेंक, मातृभूमि पर शीश चढ़ाने जिस पर जाए वीर अनेक, जिस पर जाए वीर अनेक। थैंक यू।